Write the following steps in the set builder form. So basically we have the following in the roasted form, all of the questions, and we have to convert it to set builder form. So it's a very important set of things, and it's quite simple once you get a hang of it, and we are pretty much done. So first thing is we need to analyze what exactly is happening with the numbers. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So what exactly can we understand from this? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12 is nothing but 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, and 3 into 4. Agree? So it's a multiple of what? 3. So first number itself can be written as 3 into 1. Next number is 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So all of these numbers are multiple of 3. That's the first thing that you guys have to recognize. Okay? And post that, we'll start writing. So we have the set. They have not named it, but we'll name it. A is made up of x such that x is a multiple of 3. Agree? So are we done with the answer? No, because even 15 is a multiple of 3. So what should we tell? Well, we are going till 12, so we'll tell and x is less than 13. Is this correct? Well, no. Even minus 3 can satisfy both of this condition. Minus 6, 0 can satisfy both of this condition. So what we can tell is and x is more than, yes, more than 0 or 1 or 2, something like this. So with all of this condition, we will get this set of numbers. So this can be one of your answer, but I won't advise for you guys to write such an answer. Right? Alternatively, what can we do? So we can go with something like this. Set A is made up of x such that x is what? What is that we are trying to do? We are trying to express all of this in terms of mathematical expression 3n. So x is a multiple of 3, can be written as 3n. But what is this n? We need to talk about n. So here n belongs to natural number, right? So we have a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it not? 3n is in this form. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. All of these are natural numbers. But if I talk about natural numbers, there are infinite numbers. So what is that I have to do? Yes, I have to put a constraint like we have done over here. And n is less than or equal to how much? 4. And close the bracket. Of course, you can write this answer in quite a few other different manners. I can just put n is less than 5. Right? I can do that also. So I can put n is less than 5. And we have the answer. Okay, again, there are quite a few ways of writing this answer. This is one of the ways. But why is this required and why is this an advantage? See, if you are able to write in this manner, you will be able to code. Okay, again, if you are able to write in this manner, you will be able to code. So this particular code, it's of 21 line, but yeah, we can reduce it just to 3 lines also, but I expanded it to show you guys how is that we are working with this. See, first thing is I am having the n value over here being generated. So this range will produce values from 1 till 5 excluding 5. That's how the range works. Okay. So the range will produce natural numbers from whatever number you start off with. By default it's 1 actually, till the last number excluding the last number. So we're going to produce 1 to 4. Okay, let me show that. So the value of n I'm showing here at the bottom. So we are producing 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We have put the constraint that it has to start from 1 till 4 and it has to be natural number. So this very line will give us that answer. And what is that we are doing? And then we have to take up each of this 1, 2, 3, 4, each of this n value and multiply with 3 to get set A. And that's been done over here. For n in value n, so set A dot add 3 star n. So basically you need to understand that 3 is getting multiplied with each value of n and that is being added to the set A. And at last I'm printing that answer. So you can see set A is made up of 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12. Is it not? Of course, In set, the order does not matter. So the code also, the program also does not care about the order. Right? So we have the answer. So I hope you guys understood this particular answer. The next set of answers I'll go fast. So let me start off with the next question. So very first thing is we need to understand the pattern. How is it? So we have 2, okay, 4. So I can get 4 with 2 by 2 into 2. But the next number is 8. So it's not 2 into 3. So there's some other kind of relationship. What is it? It starts with the word E. It's exponential. So the relationship is this: 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, so on and so forth. Of course, the last number is 2 to the power of 5. Okay. Once you understand this, then you can write set A is made up of x such that x can be expressed as 2 to the power of n. Here too, n belongs to what? Natural number, and n is less than 6. Agree? Is it not? See, using this aspect, I just change something over here, few things, not even a lot, just few things over here, right? And I can get the same set of answers. So here, my last number is 5, right? So I have to change this to 6. Okay. So till 6 or 5. Yeah, 6, correct. Till 6, excluding 6. And the relationship is 2 to the power of n, if I'm right. Yeah, it's 2 to the power of n. So we have 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 in that sequence. This is happening. So this represents 2 to the power of n. Okay. So when I compile this, so we have the answer 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And we have the value of n to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what we wanted. See, it's as simple as that. A bit of understanding and you can write a code out of it. Of course, all of this, the language, if you know, it's very simple. If you don't know it, yeah, it is complicated. But all you have to understand is this set of line, this thing, and over here. That's it. Okay. Next is what? It's similar to the last one. Can you guys guess that? It's very simple. It just... No, I need this part. I just can copy this, right, and paste it over here. Can you guess why? What's so similar about both of them? Yes, both of them are related with exponential aspect. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4. So we have this to be 5 to the power of n, and the constraint is still 5. Again, all I have to do is change it till what should the number be over here? Yes, this is supposed to be 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have this to be 5 to the power of n. And we can see the same answer. Agree? That's it, as simple as that. And next one. So this is a bit different. Why? We don't have the last number. So all these examples are known as finite set, wherein you have a stop, right? You have a start and a stop. But here, yes, there is a start, but there's no stop. This is known as infinite set. So let's look at the pattern. So everywhere we look at the pattern and we move on. So let's start with the pattern. So set B, we'll call this a set B. We have 2, and we have 2 into 2, and we have 2 into 3, and dot dot dot. So this is continuing indefinitely. And so we can talk about set B as x such that x is equal to 2 into what? Yes, 2 into n, right? Because this is 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So n belongs to what? N, natural numbers. And I close the bracket. Why is that I am not putting any condition? Simple reason being it is infinite set. As simple as that. Okay, again, I'm not putting the ending constraint which I have over here. Here I don't have it, because this is an infinite set, right? And the last question. So what is that we're looking at? We are looking at set A, which is 1, 2, 9, 10. What kind of numbers are this? Yes, these are squares of numbers. So once you understand the pattern, it's easy to write. So I can use the same thing, to be honest. So here, what is that I should write over here? And what is that I should write over here? And what is that I should write over here? Yes, it is n square, and n has to end at what? 11. Right? The same change over here. So we are working till 11, excluding 11. And then we have square of n. So we are squaring n. And you can see that we have the value of n to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set A is made up of 1, 4, 9, and you guys can see that. Again, the order does not matter and the elements does not repeat. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys had a look. And yeah, of course, you guys can also try all of this. That is made possible on our website. So please do try it. Understand the concept. Again, once you understand it, the whole idea of our website is that you guys understand it and sit with your friends and teachers and discuss in your class and build something very nice and unique, and you get to be creative. Okay, so that's why the exposure and the agenda of our entire team is right, so that you guys can understand in different aspect with different perspective and build on that. Okay, now you guys can pause and have a look at the answers. So remember, the first step is to understand the pattern and then write the answer. Without the pattern, don't write the answer.